This is my unboxing for FabFitFun. I got a few add-ons. I got the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold eye masks. The Cosmetic Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. Can't wait to try that one. Cocoa Floss Passion Fruit. I thought this would be a little fun to try. It's not. 7-day mask set. Aloe, tea tree, bamboo water, avocado, lemon, green tea, pomegranate. This looks fun. And I got this London Town. Must be a crystal file. Oh, this is hard to do with one hand. Let's see what I can do here. There we go. Give that a try. And that's it for the add-ons. And let's get into the box. Okay, there's the magazine. It's Megan Trainor. HelloFresh meal kit. There's a code if you want to use that. Okay, there's $15 off if you want to use this code. Okay, first thing is, oh, the detox pads. Yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this. Humankind body supply. Okay. Damage remedy, daily hair repair. I'd like to try this one. Avita. Deep relax roller ball. Aromatherapy. Juice cleanse. I'm hearing everyone wants to eat these. Exfoliating sugar cubes. Okay, I can't wait to try that. And the 2-in-1 grinder. And I'm definitely going to try the pink Himalayan salt with either black or green peppercorns. Oh, the cleanser scrub mask. Okay. Lava Magic. Try that. And then I've got mat, the yoga mat. And that's it. That's it for the fall FabFitFun.